Alright, thank you for joining us for this interlanguage pre-activity here. I have my participant.
Hello.
And what she is going to do is I'm going to ask her a question. If she answers the question correctly, I will remove 3 of the blocks that you see on the screen. Now, there's a picture underneath these blocks. Guess what the picture is.
Okay.
If you can't guess what the picture is, I want you to tell me what you see and recognize from the picture, okay?
Okay.
Let's start. Our first question is, what is 3 times 4?
3 times 4 is 12.
All right, 12. Good job. So let's remove 3 pictures here. Can you tell me what that picture is?
I'm not sure, but I can see the sweater cuff.
Okay.
And shoulder is a person.
Okay. Do you know who the person is?
No, I can't see.
What is that at the very top there?
That must be hair.
All right. If it's a person, that must be hair?
Yes.
Okay. So our next question is, what is the capital of South Korea?
It's Seoul.
Yes, Seoul. So we're going to move 3 more blocks here. What do you think it is?
I see finger now.
Yeah, so there's fingers.
Fingers and back of hair.
Okay. Can you tell who the person is?
No.
No, all right. But you notice that hair, sweater, and fingers.
Yes.
All right. So our next question is, what is the past tense of the verb be?
Past tense is was.
Was, exactly. So here we go. 3 more. And now.
Now I can see ear.
Okay, you can see the ear over here.
And finger, hand.
All right, you can see the hand, you can see the fingers.
Yes.
Now you know those are definitely fingers.
Yes.
Now. And you know that's definitely hair.
Yes.
And the sweater, of course, you knew before, but you can't tell who the person is.
No.
No? All right, so let's ask another question so we can remove 3 more of these.
Okay.
Who has the best college football team in America?
University of Florida.
And they are the...
Gators.
Exactly, the University of Florida, the Gators. So we're going to remove 3 more. And that doesn't help us one bit, does it?
But I can tell the top of forehead.
Okay.
So little lines.
Okay, so they got wrinkles up there?
Yes, I guess old person.
All right, it's an old person?
Yes.
Do you have any idea of who this old person may be?
No.
Okay, I'll ask you one more question. All right, so what is the largest city in Japan?
It's Tokyo.
Tokyo, okay. So let's remove 3 more blocks.
Oh, I know.
Who is that?
He is Albert Einstein.
Okay, Albert Einstein, exactly. So if we take away the other, yep, we can see him. He's very famous. Everybody knows him.
Yes.
So this does it for our pre-activity. Make sure you do the worksheet and look at the answers because this is related to our theory of interlanguage. See you in the lesson.